headed to the Land of Edmond Dante to see if I can get this monkey off of my back. I saw 5 of the nicest gold rings I've ever seen in a long time the last few days from the Land of Nada. So I know they're there. I just can't find them. I'm talking about nice ones too, boy. Nice. I saw 2 last night. 3 the other day. I'm going elsewhere to make my fortune. Stand by. We're inbound for the Land of Edmond Dante. Let me add on a side note that the Land of Nada, since it's a beautiful day in the 60s, is going to get tested pretty good today. I already got 1 report from down there, and there's a few targets around. One guy's down there with his new blister tool, first time. I'll have a report from him later. He had a blister tool did. Anyway, we'll see in a little while. Well, first time I've been here since the storm. I ain't gonna say I'm overly impressed, but it looks good this way. You see, the tide's really low. But the steps are non-existent. The steps would be right here. They're covered up completely. I figured there'd be at least 2 or 3 steps. Easy. But it looks like to me it pulls some sand off this beach. I don't know. Well, anyway, we'll see how it goes. We're here. Land of Edmond Dante. It says it's 11:15, but I haven't set it back. It's still on daylight savings time, so it's 10:15. We're inbound. Tide's low in about 40 minutes here. So far, we got 4 bottle caps, 2 pull tabs, and we just hit this big piece of iron. You can see it's got a nickel stuck inside of it. See, it's flat iron looking stuff on this side. There's a nickel sticking out. Cool ticket, cool. Edmond Dante. Here we got a real scratchy junk sound. I got ready not to dig it. And this junk, just a heart-shaped, rusty, kind of a pendant looking thing. Stand by. I don't know if you can see the bottom or not, but it's really ripply, not flat, full of ripples. Can you see them? Full of ripples. I don't like the ripples. I like it kind of flat. There's Edmond Dante, but he ain't come out yet. He's still hiding in that cave right there. Get out of there, Edmond. Ripples. I forgot to tell you, I got my Farmer John on today. I got a dive glove on this hand, and I got nothing on this hand. But the water's not but like 60, so the water's kind of warm. It's just until today the breeze has been cold, but like I said, it's sunshiny and nice today. But you can see someone's coming around the corner there. I know who it is too. I see him. Targets are tight, but it's a lot of bottle caps. Good God Almighty. Probably 15 already. Nice bottle caps too, boy. Stand by. Some big bling with ice. Iceberg. Iceberg junk, that is. Crapo. All of this right here should be rocks. This whole area here is rocks, big rocks. You can see it sanded in bad. Just a few sticking out along the edge of the shore. I was hoping to find the rocks, but there aren't any. Stand by. Fireworkers in the lane. Or on the bay, I should say. Fireworks. God damn. I've seen everything. Stand by. Fireworks, what do you got? What do you got? Any taquitos?
I don't got nothing.
Where's your belt at? You put it?
My belt. I need to tighten it.
I haven't got anything else. I got a nickel encrusted in some irons. The only cool thing I got. A knife and I got a bunch of junk. Fireworks has got me on a mission. She's found something over here at the edge of the water. She can't get it out. She got shoes on. It's too deep for her. I go see what it is. Stand by. Well, that's Fireworks' hole. She got 2 or 3 scoops out of it. I don't know what it is. But it does sound really good. Penny, maybe. Stand by. There it is. Fireworks is disappointed. Bottle can. Bottom. Nice. Glass hunters. Hunts for glass. A lot of glass hunters down here. A lot of glass, too. But that deep. Targets are still tight. Bottle caps are not, but targets are tight. I've 30 bottle caps away already in trash can. I got 300 more. I could be exaggerating. Stand by. Uh-oh, look at this. A big airplane coming in. Well, the tide's getting in now pretty good. Let's see, it's 2:30, so that's 1:30. I got here at 10:15. I'm getting ready to get the hell out of here, go home. I'll get a report from the guru and see how he made it at the Land of Nada today. One of my buddies already called me and said he found a silver Clad Daddy ring at the Land of Nada. There's some targets there, you know, some yellow. I just can't find it. Stand by for Surfchurch.